Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to fix Instagram disabled account. If your Instagram account has been disabled, you can try to recover it by following these steps. First, check why your account was disabled. Instagram disables account for violating their community guidelines or terms and services. You can also submit an appeal to Instagram. Go to your Instagram account and type in your username and password and log in. If you see a message saying your account is disabled, tap on Learn More option and follow the instruction to request a review. Instagram may ask you to verify your identity by submitting a photo of yourself holding a paper with a code Instagram provides and confirming the email or phone number linked in your account. You can also wait for Instagram response. It can take a few hours to several days for Instagram to review your appeal. If declined, you might need to create a new account. To prevent future account issue, you can follow Instagram community guidelines and avoid using third-party apps or bots. You can also enable two-factor authentication on your account. If your account is permanently banned, you may need to start a new account and follow Instagram policies strictly. So that is how you can fix Instagram disabled account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.